Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you some strength exercises that you can use for your feet using TheraBands. So I love using TheraBands as a way to strengthen those tendons in your feet, especially when you're doing marathon training. You're going to get a lot of different aches and pains, and I notice primarily my feet are an area that needs some more attention. So for me, I love using the TheraBands. You can buy them on Amazon. They're fairly cheap. There's a few different ones I like to use, and they usually come with different resistances. And I also like to use the longer bands as well, which help for kind of using the side-to-side motion that I'll show you coming up in the video, and I'll give some narration on how I do these exercises, when I do them, and how I think that they could benefit you as a runner. So the first exercise is just a basic extension, just keeping the leg straight and moving your foot at the ankle and pushing away from yourself around 10 or 15 reps per set per leg, and just use the resistance band that is most comfortable to you. Sometimes it helps to start off a little bit lighter resistance and then working your way up to some stronger resistant bands. Again, just using both feet, just keeping the leg nice and straight and getting a full extension. For the second exercise, we're going to be utilizing the outside of the foot. You can put the resistance band on your other foot, keeping your other leg straight while you turn your foot at the ankle, the one that you're working on. I actually find it easier if you can use like a coffee table or something that is able to be a little bit more stable, so then that way your foot isn't flexing as much inward when you're trying to control the outside motion of your foot. For the third exercise, I'm utilizing the longer resistance band, and I'm just pulling my foot toward me. I have the other end of the resistance band connected to the weight bench that I have in my room. You could also use, again, like a coffee table or something that has some weight to it, just so that you're able to keep your foot stable and pulling your foot toward you. This really works the top of your foot really well. I've had some tendonitis on the top of my foot before, and this worked really well to help strengthen the top of the foot. For the last exercise, I'm utilizing the inside of my foot, using the longer resistance band that's connected to the weight bench, and just bringing my foot toward the inside, again turning at the ankle. So those are the 4 exercises that I like to use with resistance bands or TheraBands for my feet to help strengthen those muscles and tendons. I really utilize those at any time during my training, and it's really good to do it as a preventative measure versus after things are already sore or maybe a little bit painful. Obviously, if you're in severe pain, you should seek out a medical professional, but these are really great if you're maybe having just a little bit of nagging pain, or maybe just are looking for some exercises to help strengthen your feet because you know that may be an area of weakness. And it's really a great way to help prevent injury in general. So feel free to utilize these exercises, and I hope that you're able to get something out of this video. Thank you for watching.